Hey, what's up YouTube? We're back with another video and we're gonna start with a nice cold start. You saying?
What's up, man? We back with another video out here in the yard, walking with my daughter, trying to outrun the camera right now. Yeah, this is what I gotta deal with all day on a daily basis. But I also got my little other daughter. Blue. Say hi to the camera. Say hi to the camera. So yeah, man, I know I haven't made a video in a while, but we back at it. Had a lot of home improvements going on, so had to take a little bit of time off, but house is all finished. Got a new roof, new siding, new surveillance cameras, new everything. So here's a picture of what the old house looked like. And now here's a video of what the new house looks like now. Got my nephew over here looking nervous as hell because he's flying my drone right now, trying to get some exterior shots of the house. Hopefully he don't crash my shit. But yeah, just hanging out today. We're gonna go get that new Samsung Note 10 phone. And my brother's supposed to actually be stopping by at some point too, see what he up to. So yeah, man, stay tuned. Now you put the shit back.
Hey, damn it.
Real too far back.
Come on, man. Stop.
I'm trying to make it lock. It ain't locked.
Look, you gotta go forward first.
There ain't nowhere to go forward. I ain't sitting leaning forward. Yo, you gotta accept it. Once you accept it, you be alright.
I'm gonna lawn chair your ass in a second. I'll fold you up to the dashboard. You know, once you hit the brakes, all momentum's on my side.
That's alright. Once I hit this button over here on the side, all momentum's against you when you take off.
That's alright. You said you're just trying to...
X5s be looking nice, man. You didn't move it up, bro?
Yeah.
There you go, sir.
What?
Oh, you guys might get a survey. How was your experience with me? Based
I'm clenching this thing. Yo, you tried to make me drop it. I'm holding up to yo. Let me borrow your case.
We got the new Samsung.
Ah, it's clean.
All right, man, we're back at the house. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hanging out with my daughter right now. So, about to watch her do some crazy flips on the trampoline. But that's the end of the video. I got nothing else for y'all, man. So, see you in the next one. Hit that like button. Leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe.
Smash the subscribe button.
What you got?